So today we are going to learn color theory. It's the colors and their meaning. We'll be applying these colors in our banner and also profile images for social media. When doing web design, we'll also be using this color theory to design and develop our website and many other social media posts. So keep it here and keep it tuned. So we have warm colors, that is red, which is associated with fire, violence, love, passion and anger. We have orange, attention, friendly and inviting. We have yellow, which is happiness and sunshine. So you can use a combination of these. We'll be seeing in a short while. Then there are good colors. There is green, which is stable, balancing, harmonizing effect. Then blue, calm, responsible, energizing, and purple, creativity and imagination. And then you have neutral color, that is black, which is really linked to power, elegance and formality. White is which is purity, cleanness and virtue. Then we have grey, which is moody and depressing. So with that short introduction, we'll be ready to pick our color. So I'll be picking blue to represent calm, then white for purity and yellow for happiness. The maximum colors you can use is 3. Otherwise your brand may look awkward. So now we search for images that we'll be using for our profile and also for our banner. If you visit pixabay.com and also some other website which offer free downloads, you can get cool and beautiful images for free. Always remember to check the license. Like there is this image of a bee holding honey and it looks happy. The color code here is yellow, it's the main color. Then there is some black for the image. So we need to confirm that we are not a robot to download the image. So we download it and then upload onto Canva.com. We'll be using Canva.com to design our profile image. So in the Canva, let's look for a template which we can edit. So in the search bar, type banner. You'll be displayed with so many images. You can filter down. Like me, I've filtered for free. I don't have a Canva Pro. So you can always click on the image and edit. The ones with the $sign means they're either Canva Pro or if you had a free account, it means some of the elements may require you to pay, so you can delete and edit. So for now, let's pick this one, the one for fitness. As per my color, the color code was blue, yellow and white. So it's the same color I'll be sticking with. There's so many templates you can use. Just need to identify the color codes you'll be using, then pick one that has that color, or you can even edit the color. In this template we have white, yellow and bluish. So this represents where our brand. We just be editing the text. This tutorial is a continuation of what I've been doing on print on demand, where I've been creating t-shirts and mugs, that is designs, then sell them online. So now I'm creating social media accounts which I'll be using for my social media marketing. Through these social media accounts, I'll be passing my message to potential clients. I'll also be posting other videos for entertainment. So I maintain the same color code. On the background is blue with some variations. Then text is white and yellow. So relates well with my color choice that we did earlier. So I upload the image that I downloaded for the B. I replace the image that is on my banner. It doesn't fit well because the frame that is used doesn't allow the image to align well. So I might need to resize the image, and if you resize it doesn't fit well. And again, even the color on the background, it overrides some of our color. You can change that color to blue. Blue is my main color. Then white and yellow are like secondary, and also some black. So you can select our image and delete. If you delete, now you'll be able to see the frame that have been used. Canva has frames and elements. You go to elements, you can always change your frame. So I just drag the fresh image. It's still cut. So I may need to delete even the template that I'm using, that is the frame. So I organize my text and also my button. This button will be used to tell the client what actions to take, like buy now, click here to subscribe. So you can always edit. I'm trying to use words that are attractive, like happiness is worth the less price. So my designs, that is t-shirt and mugs, portray simplicity and also happiness. That's the message I'm trying to pass across. Simplicity, happiness, and with happiness comes peace, which has no price tag. So you just play around with words until you find the one that portray the message you are trying to pass. So now we can change the image. With this we just delete the frame. So we go to elements, scroll down to where there are frames. Here there are so many you can use. So you can click to show all. There are so many, and each will display your design differently. So you just drag and drop. You select like this one, drag and drop, then you resize. So again, it's cutting the image. We need to resize our frame so that the image can fit well. So delete the image. So we enlarge our frame, then position it, then drag our image. So you can just play around with different frames and also with your image size until it fits well. When you are comfortable, you can go ahead and download your banner. So this is the banner we'll be using on our social media, that is Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube channel. So just follow along. So we download a PNG file, which then we'll be uploading to our social media. Remember, Canva free account doesn't allow you to resize. So if you need, you can use free tools. I will be going through these free tools which you can use to resize and even adjust your image. Thank you.